Hello there. Let me show you something interesting. This is a thermal breaker or a thermal fuse. It's used in automotive industry, but in the same time we can use that with our solar installations. I had an accident with one of my batteries, a short, and the fuse was in the circuit, effectively was opening the circuit, It was working absolutely great. The point is, inside there, it's a piece of metal which under big current it's changed the shape and it's getting off the contacts. It's opening the circuit, Okay, because of the temperature maybe or something else, it's not working all the time. So, you see, now it's not working. It's something happening in here. I really don't know. It's getting stuck. I want to open it up to see what is happening. And of course, I want to show you what's inside there. I'm really curious. How can we open? There are two screws here, got nothing to do with that. All we have to do is to have these pins out. Because here it's not exactly a screw, it's just a simple pin. Look. Interesting. I thought there are screws or kind of bolts, but no, just a simple pin. Or maybe it should be bolted, who knows. Okay, now I have to take this out. It's like one of those potentiometer snobs, and the top is off. Okay, we have a piece here which evidently moving the contact up and down. Okay. Let's take this out. You see, this is the metal thingy I told you. Yeah. Now this should go out. Yes. And you see this special shape here. In the moment when it's under big current, it's getting hot, it's changing the form and it's opening and closing the contact. And there we are. And I think here it's something related to this guy. Oh yeah. Because it's looking like this one got melted in between the things. This one goes under the contact once it's lifting the contact. That's the movement here. When this guy, it's moving the contact up like this. You see, when I'm pushing the button, the contact, it's moving up, and this plastic thing is going under and blocking the things. In the same time, when the metal blade, it's under severe heat, it's also picking up the contact, and this one goes under, isolating the poles. It's going under because it's always kept under tension by the spring here. So what is happening? Probably from the heat, this one have a kind of, I don't know how to call that, shoulder here, which keeps, you see, it's blocking somehow the plastic thing in between the contacts. Let's see. Yeah, much better. That should be enough. We can clean the contacts too. You can see there it was a kind of flame, or anyway big current, and that proves that this little guy did a really great job. Perfect. That's the shape. Let's do a little test. Well, I'm going to use my hot air station to apply some heat to that element there and to see if we can make it switch. So let's go to, I don't know, 300 degrees. You got it? And back. Oh, we don't need so much temperature. I was exaggerating. Let's see, 200 degrees. So funny. I didn't expect that. It's really sensible, I may say. So let's put everything back together. We have to lift the contacts first to have some room under to insert this blocking plastic thingy. That should be the movement. You see, this one goes up and the plastic drops in between the contacts. Looking good. But now, let's see, continuity, no contact. Why? Yeah, obviously something wrong here. I'm afraid I can't fix it because this plastic thing get deformed by the heat. That's kind of problem. Let's see if I can have a kind of border here. I need this to stop in between the contacts. Come on, Springy. Yeah. Test. Nothing. Huh? Okay. That was good. Okay, now let's apply some heat and let's see what is happening. Now we should be able, when apply heat, yes, you saw that? That's the movement. That's what I was looking for. You see? Applying heat. Yes. And the thingy went in between, blocking the contact. Okay, let's have the top. How can we see if it's fixed? This is plastic here. Let's put this back. Do we have continuity? Let me try to apply some heat like that. I'm not sure if it's working or not. It's not decoupling anymore. Well, I don't know what to say. Contact on. Yeah, it's on and it's off. Yeah, I can use that like a breaker, but anyway, I don't trust it anymore, being a thermal fuse. Okay, that's it for today. I hope it's useful. I hope it was interesting, and every day you learn something new challenge, new things. I never ever had anything in common with this kind of things, and now I know how they are working. Stay away from this cheapy stuff. It was doing the job once, but you'll never know. Okay, so the most important thing is to have fun. Like usually, please like, subscribe, and of course I'm waiting your comments too. Bye bye.